should work.
Okay. They don't see it here. It's what's there. Just a second.
Ah, yeah, nice. So I get without guess without the mouse. Good. Let's start. Hello, everyone. Thank you for coming to our bootcamp. Let me start with the introduction of who are we and what we are planning to do.
Let me take a picture of the battery.
Yeah, so we are LauzHack, we are EPFL Association Club, which is mainly focused on hackathons, as you can see from our name. But we also do a lot of teaching material, teaching stuff during the year. We have around 20 members. We did 7 large hackathons. The next one gonna be this fall in November or start of December.
November 30, December. So if you go on the same Luma, you should see the sign up for that one.
Yeah, we did 2 online hackathons, a lot of workshops during the year, 2 mini hackathons, and this is our deep learning bootcamp. It's first time we are doing this, but hope it will go great. Topics wise, we'll have introduction this week. Then we'll have deep learning audio, CV, on device learning and distributed DL next week, and DeepRL, XAI, also known as model interpretation, and NLP during the 3rd week. If you haven't joined our Discord channel, please join, because all announcements, everything is going to be on Discord. There is also GitHub with all materials. The link is on Discord. Maybe there is no link on Luma, but I will add it. So also keep it in mind and put a star, please. We'll appreciate it. So we have a lot of members, not only from LauzHack, but from LauzHack it was going to be me. I'm Peter. Here is Eric, who is our vice president. There is Parsa, who is going to talk about NLP. Yeah, Eric is going to talk about Python and fine-tuning in the last week. Parsa is going to talk about NLP and also help us with introduction. And we have several guests, PhD students from EPFL and ETH Zurich. There is Federica, who is from CV Lab, and he's going to talk about CV. Vinitra from ML for Education, she's going to talk about explainable AI. Christian from Integrated Systems Laboratory at ETH Zurich is going to talk about on-device learning. Atli here from MLO Lab is going to help us with introduction today, and also going to talk about distributed DL and decentralized DL. And Skander from Clary Lab is going to talk about DeepRL during the 3rd week.
Maybe just to say some abbreviations. So CV is not your curriculum.
Yeah, CV is computer vision, or images, let's say like this. Audio is audio. RL is reinforcement learning. Basically is how neural networks play computer games, play chess, or how you control robots. Explainable AI is a methodology to interpret your models. In other words, to understand why your model makes such decisions. On-device learning is moving from large servers with GPU to your mobile phone or another edge device. And distributed DL is basically how you train all these LLMs and the large models, because you can't use one computer, you use several computers. And the methodology to control your training inference scheme across different machines will be covered in this topic. And NLP is natural language processing, as far as I remember. It's about texts. So maybe NLP and CV are the most hyped topics, but I will tell you a bit later why you should listen to all of these topics, and they will be beneficial to you. From introduction to bootcamp, that's all. Eric, do you want to add something?
No.
No, good.